Good morning to all. May I now request Learned District Judge, Andaman and Nicobar Island, to start the program.
Good morning, Your Lordships.
Good morning.
It is momentous occasion for this Andaman and Nicobar Judgeship that the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court at Calcutta, Sri T.S. Sivagnanam, is going to inaugurate Vulnerable Witness Deposition Center, VWDC, Mayabunder, North and Middle Andaman District, Andaman and Nicobar Island, in the august presence of Honorable Justice Joymalya Bagchi, Judge High Court at Calcutta, Honorable Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharyya, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and our Zonal Judge, Honorable Justice Shampa Sarkar, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and the Honorable Chairperson of VWDC Committee, Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and Honorable Member of VWDC Committee, Honorable Justice Krishna, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and Honorable Member of VWDC Committee, Honorable Justice Gaurang Kanth, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and Honorable Justice Raja Basu Chowdhury, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and our Zonal Judge Additional. In this deposition center, VWDC has been set up on the active support and guidance of our Honorable Chief Justice, our Honorable Zonal Judges, Honorable Chairperson, and Honorable Committee members of VWDC Calcutta, which will give much benefits to such vulnerable witnesses. In our short program of virtual mode, I, on behalf of Mayabunder under the Judgeship of Andaman and Nicobar Island, humbly request the Honorable Justice Shampa Sarkar, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and the Honorable Chairperson of VWDC Committee to deliver her welcome address.
Thank you, Learned District Judge, Andaman and Nicobar Island. I welcome all the dignitaries, Honorable Chief Justice Sivagnanam, Honorable Justice Joymalya Bagchi, who is the presiding judge at the circuit at Port Blair, Honorable Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharyya, Zonal Judge, Justice Amrita Sinha, Member of the Committee, Krishna, Member of the Committee, Justice Gaurang Kanth, now at circuit in Andaman, Justice Raja Basu Chowdhury, Additional Zonal Judge. I also welcome the judicial officers of Mayabunder, North and Middle Andaman, Deputy Commissioner Mayabunder, Assistant Commissioner Mayabunder, Superintendent of Police Mayabunder, PWD officials, press and media personnel who are joining us. Mayabunder is the district headquarters of North and Middle Andaman. The VWDC was made ready sometime in June 2024. There were initially a lot of problems with transportation of materials. That is why there was a slight delay. But everybody will be happy to know that the VWDC at Mayabunder has been done more or less on the prototype of the Committee of the Honorable Supreme Court. The concept of a center for vulnerable witnesses had been deliberated upon by the Honorable Apex Court in some judgments. Now it has been given a wider meaning. A lot of other kind of vulnerabilities have been imported in the meaning of a vulnerable witness. We have tried our best to set up with the able guidance of our Chief Justice, Justice Sinha, Justice Rao, who are members of the committee. We are trying to move forward. I welcome you all for this auspicious opening of the VWDC.
Thank you, Your Lordship. We are obliged for Your Lordship's beautiful welcome address. Now I seek the permission of the Honorable Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court to unveil and light the ceremonial lamp on behalf of His Lordship.
Yes, sir.
Now I humbly request our Honorable Chief Justice Sri T.S. Sivagnanam for His Lordship inaugural speech on this occasion.
Honorable Justice Joymalya Bagchi, now in the circuit bench at Port Blair. Honorable Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharyya, the Honorable Zonal Judge of Andaman and Nicobar. Honorable Justice Shampa Sarkar, Chairman of the VWDC Committee. Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha and Honorable Justice Krishna, both members of the VWDC Committee. Honorable Justice Gaurang Kanth, now on the circuit bench at Port Blair. Honorable Justice Basu Chowdhury, Additional Zonal Judge, Andaman and Nicobar. The Honorable Judges who have joined us in the virtual mode, the Learned Registrar General, the Learned Registrar IT and the other registrars, the District Judge of Andaman and Nicobar, the Registrar of the Circuit Bench at Andaman, the Judicial Officers of Mayabunder, North and Middle Andaman, the Deputy Commissioner Mayabunder, the Assistant Commissioner Mayabunder, the Superintendent of Police Mayabunder, the PWD officials, members of the press and media, ladies and gentlemen, and special invitees, good morning to all of you. This is a very, I will call it a red letter day in the judiciary of Andaman and Nicobar, where we have inaugurated the Vulnerable Witness Deposition Center at Mayabunder. As pointed out by the chairman of the VWDC committee, Justice Sarkar, it was really a tough task to get the project implemented. And I congratulate the chairman and the members of the committee for their tireless effort in guiding the learned district judge as well as the registrar of the circuit bench to make it possible for inaugurating this center today. The concept of establishing such centers was pursuant to a direction issued by the Honorable Supreme Court, and a committee was constituted under the chairmanship of Justice Geeta Mittal, the former Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir. And because of her ladyship's continued support and frequent interactions with the committee, we were able to implement this project in several districts in West Bengal and now at Mayabunder. I had initially been part of this committee at the formative stages, and the Honorable Chairman of the VWDC Committee at New Delhi was considerate to appreciate the peculiar problems faced by the West Bengal judiciary as well as in Andaman and Nicobar, more particularly the space crunch. Therefore, we had requested the Honorable Committee at New Delhi that we should be permitted to make slight changes from the prototype model. In fact, the prototype which was shown to us, the drawings which were sent, was an ideal setup which was established in New Delhi, where a large space was made available. As all of you know, all our district court complexes, there is severe space crunch. And with the available space, we scaled down the entire model so that as far as possible, we were able to achieve the parameters fixed. As mentioned by the Honorable Chairman, the VWC Center at Mayabunder has been so designed that it has all the essential features. So though it may not be with the same dimensions as the prototype, but essentially it has carried out all the directives of the Honorable Committee. I should congratulate the Andaman and Nicobar Public Works Department engineers and officers who were able to make this a reality today, because as pointed out, the project got delayed because about 250 kilometers away from the Port Blair is Mayabunder, and the only method of transport, as all of you know, is by ship, which takes roughly about 8 to 10 hours. And there was a lot of problem and obstacles to transport the raw material. Yet the PWD officials made it a reality, and today we are able to inaugurate it. The center has been established at a cost of about rupees 29 lakhs. And it, as I said, it has got all the features. And I'm sure the district judiciary at Mayabunder will put the center to the best use, and so that the purpose is achieved. Apart from that, today a video conferencing room has also been inaugurated, which has been equipped with the latest IT infrastructure, and this will be used by the judicial officers, and so that people need not move to the mainland from Mayabunder, which appears to be a very difficult task. So I once again congratulate each one of you, and also Justice Joymalya Bagchi and Justice Gaurang Kanth, who are there in the circuit bench when this inauguration has taken place. I appreciate the efforts taken by the officials of the registry, especially from High Court at Calcutta, who are in constant touch with the learned district judge and the registrar of the circuit bench. Yes. And Mr. Sanjay Mohapatia, our registrar IT, has taken excellent efforts in coordinating and making this possible to be inaugurated today. So I wish each one of you the very best, and hope the center is utilized to the optimum capacity and serves the purpose for which it has been established. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Lordship. We are deeply obliged and grateful for Your Lordship's kind word and valuable speech. Now I humbly request the Honorable Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharyya, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and our Honorable Zonal Judge to kindly say few words to enlighten us on this occasion.
I wish a very good morning to the Honorable Chief Justice, and thank you for making out the time out of your busy schedule. I also wish a very good morning to all the members, the chairperson and the members of the Vulnerable Witness Deposition Center Committee, as well as my co-zonal judge, Honorable Justice Raja Basu Chowdhury. Not the least to say, Justice Joymalya Bagchi, who has been a guiding light in several aspects also, and Justice Gaurang Kanth, who are there, and all of my brothers and sisters who are watching online, as well as the district judiciary, as well as the Deputy Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner of Police, and the Superintendent of Police, as well as the PWD officials and the press and media personnel. I wish all of you a very good morning. As all of us know, access to justice is an integral component of rule of law and equality before the law. Now, recently, courts have been taking a proactive role in the field of social legislation, one of the fruits of which is this VWDC scheme. The VWDC scheme arises out of vulnerability of witnesses. Vulnerability can be in different contexts. It can be due to the age, due to gender, due to sheer trauma suffered by the victim or the witness for the offense, as well as the chances of re-victimization if there is a face-to-face between the accused and the victim. So to provide an additional layer of security and protection to these victims and the witnesses so that they can come forward and give their adduce their evidences. This scheme has been implemented, and a tremendous effort has gone from the part of the VWDC committee, the Honorable Chief Justice, and all concerned, the PWD also, in making this true. Now, one aspect this acquires particular significance, this VWDC scheme, in the context of places like Mayabunder. Because Mayabunder, for two reasons particularly. Mayabunder is a place which is situated not only 250 kilometers away from the main seat, Port Blair, but it takes about 8 to 10 hours to reach Mayabunder, both by ship and by road also due to the poor condition of the road. So it's impossible. Generally, what happens, these remote places are left out from the march of civilization, which only touches the main centers of civilization and main centers, the capitals only. So that is one important aspect why inauguration of this VWDC in a place like Mayabunder acquires particular importance. Another aspect of the matter is that Mayabunder is close to Diglipur and other areas where there are several tribal communities. Due to their pure ethnicity, these people are shy and are insecure to come up and give witnesses. So to bring them within the fold of the main civilization, it's a very important giant stride, I would say, for this VWTC facility to be opened in Mayabunder so that the benefits of technology can be given to them. The scheme has been very well explained by my previous speakers. The witness cannot be seen by the accused and need not come face to face with the accused while adducing evidence. So therefore, it's a very important scheme for Mayabunder and places like Mayabunder. I think it's a feather in the cap of both the judiciary as well as the administration in making this true. And as the Honorable Chief Justice pointed out, today we are also opening the video conferencing facility between Mayabunder and the main seat Port Blair, which is also important for the reasons which I just mentioned. So I only wish that this facility is utilized, as the Honorable Chief Justice pointed out, by the people for whom it has been built, and it's utilized to its fullest. People come up and adduce evidence. And I wish all the best to all of you in making this a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Lordship, for your valuable speech. Now it's time of visual roaming of Vulnerable Witness Deposition Center of Mayabunder, Andaman and Nicobar Island. IT team of Honorable Court is requested to play the video.
These secret treasures, known for their pristine beauty, peaceful surroundings, turn them into a special place in these remote part of India. The untouched beaches, every island has its own unique thing to show. Mayabunder Court has been established to resolve disputes of said area. The foundation stone of the present court building at Mayabunder was laid on April 1975 by the then Chief Justice of High Court at Calcutta, Hon'ble Justice Shankar Prasad Mitra. The new court building was inaugurated on 1st April 1975 and the Court of Judicial Magistrate cum Civil Judge, Junior Division, was first chaired by Shri S. Basu. Subsequently, Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate and Court of Additional District and Sessions Judge, North and Middle Andaman District at Mayabunder has been established. The scenic beauty, lush green forests have added new dimension to this building. The facilities for Vulnerable Witness Deposition Center has been established as per the direction of Apex Court. As per requirement of new criminal acts, video conferencing facility has also been set up. Vulnerable Witness Deposition Center under the VWDC scheme constitute a courtroom, accused dock, separate room for recording the evidence of witnesses having audiovisual facilities, and the PO's chamber. The main objectives for setting up and dedicating such a facility is to enable vulnerable witnesses to depose freely before any court in a safe and secure environment, to minimize harassment or secondary victimization of vulnerable witnesses in justice system, and to enable that the right of all the parties in the judicial processes can effectively be enforced. Jai Hind.
Thank you, IT team. Now I humbly request the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and Honorable Member of VWDC Committee for delivering the vote of thanks.
Thank you, District Judge, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Honorable, the Chief Justice is Bagchi, who is present at Port Blair. Honorable Justice Shampa Sarkar, the Chairperson of the VWDC Committee. Honorable Justice Krishna Rao, the member of this committee. Honorable Justice Gaurang Kanth, who is there present online. Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharyya and Justice Basu Chowdhury, the zonal judges of the islands. My brothers and sisters who are present online, members of the registry, a very good morning to all of you. Today is a very special day when the VWDC Center has been inaugurated at Mayabunder. All my previous speakers have mentioned that this is a very special occasion when the justice delivery system has reached out to the people at the last mile. I thank the Honorable Chief Justice for giving me this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks in such a momentous occasion. My brothers and sisters, honorable judges who have joined online, they have made this moment more special. The members of the registry who are here, thank you everybody for making this project so very successful. The members of the bar, please spread the word around so that the very purpose of setting up this center is achieved. And as the Honorable Chief Justice has mentioned, it should be used to the optimum level. The judicial officers at Mayabunder, thank you for coordinating the whole thing. The Deputy Commissioner, the Assistant Commissioner, the Superintendent of Police, the PWD officials, and the press and media personnel at Mayabunder and also over here. Congratulations and sincere thanks to all who have made this project so very successful. Thank you to all of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Your Lordship. We are deeply obliged. Now, at the end of the program, I seek the permission of our Honorable Chief Justice to end the program with national anthem.
Yes, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now I seek permission of our Honorable Justice, Chief Justice, to allow me to end the program.
Yes, please.